please write down as shunt stub. So in the last lecture, I have told you that stub matching is of two types. One is shunt and the other is series. And in shunt, again, we have two types, open circuit and short circuit. Even in series, we have two types, open circuit and short circuit. So I'm directly jumping to the question that they will ask you for 10 marks. So what they will give you in the question is, so if you look at this, this is a transmission line in front of you. This is your transmission line, which you can see here. It has been terminated with a load. Now, if you see the load, it's already normalized for you. Normally, we used to divide by 50, right? So if this is plot कर सकते हैं इस point को, तो फिर 0.4 minus j 0.4 is already the normalized load which is given to you. Then they are asking you that we want to place a stub for impedance matching. So where should we place the stub? So basically you have to find the length and the distance. So I would tell you to call this as D and call this as L. So basically my job in stub matching, to keep it very simple, I have to find D and I have to find L. Okay, so all the detailed steps I have already written. So you just have to refer to this PPT when you're even revising in the examination. In the Smith chart, on top of your Smith chart, please write this first. You write this first, that ZL is equal to 0.4 minus J 0.4. Write this first on the top of your Smith chart. So any examiner looking at your Smith chart knows that you know what is the process. Now, first job is to locate this point on the Smith chart. So 0.4 minus J 0.4 कहाँ पर आएगा देखो, आपका जो 0.4 है. So this is your Smith chart, and according to me it should come somewhere over here this side. So check whether you're getting a ZL point somewhere down, and if you get it, please let me know. It will come on the left side because it is 0.4 minus J 0.4 on the Smith chart. So I wanted to see whether you're getting that particular point. Remember, whenever I do shunt stub, whenever I do shunt, so I'm doing a shunt stub here. And if you see, this is short circuit. So basically I'm doing a short circuit shunt stub. So short circuit shunt stub मैं जब भी करूंगी, I am always following, remember the admittance values. What am I following? The admittance values. And whenever I do series stub, I will be following the impedance values. I repeat once again, whenever I am solving shunt stub, I will be following the admittance values. I will tell you what I mean by saying that. So just write that shunt stub में admittance को follow करना है और series में या impedance values को follow करना है. So just take down this problem. Problem मतलब सिर्फ आपको ये diagram copy करना है और ZL का value plot करना है. Have you finished? Then please indicate in the chat box so that I know that you have completed. Just indicate in the chat box that you have plotted the point 0.4 minus J 0.4. I've just asked you to plot one point. Is it completed? Okay. So now everyone has plotted that point. Okay, so I have written all the explanation in these slides. You can obviously refer this. So let me come to the Smith chart. So I hope that everyone has got this particular point, that is I have marked here. I hope that all of you got this point. Okay, so just follow the steps I am telling you to do, because otherwise it will get very confusing. So what is the first point? Plot ZL bar. That's your first point and you have done that. Okay. Now second, what you do is, now you got this point here, join it to the center. Join it to the center and draw a circle. Join it to the center and draw the circle. So whatever point you got, you join it to the center and draw the circle. And please write on it VSWR circle. So second point is to draw the VSWR circle. The second thing is to draw the VSWR circle. So I want everyone to plot it and to draw the VSWR circle. Please tell me when you have done doing that. So first job is to plot the ZL bar. I'm going very stepwise. I'm going slowly. I want it done by all the students present in today's class. Mark it to the center, and from the center draw the circle. The circle will be called as the VSWR circle. Everyone has done it? Take your compass, draw the circle, because some steps I will have to tell you. Completed? Have all of you completed drawing the circle? Please give me some acknowledgement. I will not know. Can I proceed? Okay. Thank you, Lokik. So the second part of it was to draw the VSWR circle. Now, once you've drawn the VSWR circle, I want you to extend this line exactly opposite to the other end. मतलब जहां से आपको ये ZL मिला है, exactly other end. Whatever you're getting is your YL. So the third point that you are going to do here is to draw the exactly opposite. मतलब उसको extend कर दो और देखो कि circle के उस side पर वो कहाँ. That means we are basically plotting what I would call as a YL bar. तो YL bar का value मुझे मिलना चाहिए 1.24 plus J 1.24. Please check whether you are getting that point as 1.24 plus J 1.24 on the opposite end of the circle. So the first point is to plot ZL bar. Then the second point is to plot YL bar. Second point is to draw the VSWR circle, and the third point is to plot YL bar. So I want all of you to tell me whether you are getting that particular point, which is nothing but 1.24 plus j 1.24, which is exactly the point opposite to your ZL bar. Have you plotted it? Please give me some acknowledgement, Atharva. Atharva college students, you have to give me some acknowledgement for me to proceed. BXTC, can you give me some sort of an acknowledgement, please? Are you doing it with me? You want me to stop recording? I can do that.